Welcome to the Sugar Express. This is a 1920 steam-powered train that uses waste vegetable oil. Come along with us as we take a ride today. And now we get our turn to ride on that Sugar Express. Robin is pointing out the lake called Lake Placid that is in the town of Lake Placid. Right now it's about 1,000 degrees and the humidity is about 800.
Totally not like our videos from Alaska last month.
Now this ain't your friendly train ride in Alaska where everything's comfortable.
This is chicka 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 boom, chicka 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 boom.
Oh yeah. It was a hot day and the train's a little bumpy, but it was sure a lot of fun to ride the Sugar Express. If you get an opportunity to do so, please do. You'll have a good time too.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.